Hi, my name is Laurie Brown. I work here at the TRIO Center as a program coordinator and also do a little bit of marketing of the center so that we can promote all the good things that we do to the public.
Could you please tell what does TRIO exactly stand for?
It stands for the Center for Training, Research, and Education for Environmental Occupations.
How old is it?
Since 1978, we've been in business.
So
it's a little over 30 years.
That's didn't TRIO decide to do this LEED certification a bit earlier or something? Is it too late to do it now?
I don't think it's ever too late, and we started talking about it about 2 years ago. So it's been a long process, but I don't think it's ever too late to start.
Is it a costly affair to go under the whole process of LEED certifying the building?
I haven't looked at all the figures, but my understanding is yes, that it will be a pretty big expense.
And you think it's worth the time and money we spend on it in the long run?
Yes, I do. I think that in the long run it'll be beneficial to those that work here as well as the people that come and visit us.
And how long do you think it's going to take to go through the entire procedure of LEED certifying, changing the buildings and all?
I'm going to say at least a year. It's possibly even 2.
2 years.
I don't think it'll be any more than that, but I think it may take as long as that.
And what profession do you need actually for that? I know you need some kind of the physical plan, so do you need also consultants like architects or engineers to go through building or something?
We will need someone to do the commissioning. So we've got that through Dr. Hibbert and his company. So that I would call that one of the professionals that we need. We would need somebody on a design team. It could be an architect, yes, or a planner, someone that would help us if we have to do any retrofitting or anything like that. And then some folks with physical plans as well.
And what are the areas of major concern like? Is it what do you need to change the most in this building?
I would say the most would be the air conditioning system and the lighting.
So that basically HVAC stuff. And being an existing building, is it some roadblock you have faced or something, major problems or something?
In order to become an existing building, buildings are a major roadblock?
Yeah.
The only roadblock I see right now might be internally with the University of Florida. Just to try to get us on the list and make sure all the parties can work together happily and get all that done. But there's no other roadblock other than finances necessarily.
So I was doing the major changes would be the HVAC system, lighting stuff. So the plumbing thing and everything is fine.
I think the plumbing can be done gradually over time. We don't utilize it that often. We can get aerators to put on the sinks, if we have to. So that I think can be kind of phased in.
From what I have read actually, to maintain your status as LEED building, you need to perform according to the LEED specification for at least 5 years, right?
I think so, yes.
So and then you apply for recertification.
Yes.
So do you have have you sort of any policies for the staff and other people in TRIO?
Yeah, what we are using right now is called an environmental management system, which helps us to measure and record everything that we do. So once we become LEED EV, it'll just fold right into that. It'll be a very natural transition, and we'll have records of everything that we do, measurements of how much energy is utilized, all of that. So that shouldn't be a problem at all for us to recertify. It's something we do as a general practice anyway.
And the last would be, what would be the specific benefits you're looking for if you are a LEED certified building? How does it help in any way?
I think it helps in a lot of ways. One, it'll be just a higher quality of building, higher air quality, and a nicer place to work. It'll be nice for the community to come in if they want to, and as an educational piece, I guess, where they can see what's been done and how it affects the environment. We also offer LEED training here, so it could even be used as a classroom for those folks going through us for their LEED training to actually walk through and see how a building is done once it's has a LEED certification on it.
Last question. Are you planning to do some kind of carpooling stuff, I see a lot of cars outside, and the bus stops right on the tower also, from there to do you plan to have some own TRIO buses which would pick up people from the bus stop or something like that?
That would be a grand idea, and I think that it's probably not going to work for our facility. We have about 10 or so employees, and half of those are all within a 25-mile commute from different cities, so it's going to be difficult to try to get all those parties somehow to get together and commute. But it's ideal. Now our students, we have actually had a few students do some carpooling to some of our classes. But as far as staff, I think that's going
think that's about it for now.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I think why should we? Okay.
And then you just want to walk around the building?
Yeah, sure.